This 3D print is of a warthog, articulated warthog, designed by MatMire Makes. It took me 11 hours and 55 minutes to print using a raft. I'm not sure if I really needed the raft or not, but some of these parts have, the articulated parts have smaller pieces, like the tail might be too small. So this way, when I do it on a raft, they don't pull off the beds. And I didn't want to mess with it, so there's a little tail. It's got a little ball to connect it. And put it down here. He's got a support for the connector. And then the head itself, he puts in a built-in brim, which when I do it on a raft sometimes it doesn't quite all pull off. So I need to clean that up just a little bit. The support should break right off, and it did. The legs are all moving. Oop, just got to get that little foot. This one, I think my foot broke. The little tab there. And that one's not freeing up very much. So I printed this at 75%. And that definitely did break off. I think it will hold. Let me grab that X-Acto and trim off this little bit of brim that's on here. Brim is one of the options you can print various 3D prints with. I don't use it because of this reason right here. You're always having to trim the parts. At least when I do it, I have to trim the parts. So now we should be able to just pop the head on. It's kind of a cute head. Put the tail in. And there's the articulated warthog. That's pretty good solid print, except for the one foot that broke. I like that. I'll have to print more of these.